Nice way of exploring the improved connection between the trail shoulder, that kind of lead hip and lead foot, using a piece of tubing. Place the tubing beneath both feet, so the tubing's under the feet. Take the lead foot forward, take the trail foot back, so loosely speaking, the kind of trail big toe is going to hug behind that kind of lead heel and ankle. Cross the tubing over, kind of thumbs kind of out, fingers down, so the hands are kind of loosely speaking opposite the kind of side of the pelvis, into the start position. Then just start to stamp through both feet. So very light, very fast stamp through both feet. And once you've kind of got that stamping, keeping the rib cage down, then start to rotate almost into that kind of finished position, keeping that connection through that kind of trail scapula into that kind of lead hip, lead foot and ankle. When you fatigue, the tubing will try and pull that trail arm forwards. It will also try and pull you back into, loosely speaking, that kind of upright standing position. Once again, trail foot back, lead foot forwards, trail big toe, kind of behind lead heel, thumbs out, kind of fingers back, hands in line with the side of the pelvis, into that start position. Those very fast stamps, rotate to where you perceive kind of almost impact finish, very much your choice to be. Keeping that connection on that kind of trail scapula, keeping that kind of trail scapula connected to the rib cage, into that lead hip, into that lead foot and ankle, to really improve the awareness and control between lead hip, lead foot, into that rib cage, into that trail scapula. And very much do that until you kind of reach your own, almost your own threshold, where you go, that's enough, you need to kind of relax now. And then once you've done that several times into the start position, just then start to make a few movements into impact then, to start to feel that connection between that trail shoulder, into that lead hip, into that lead foot. So once again, with the tubing underneath both feet, trail foot back, lead foot forwards, cross the tubing over, kind of thumbs up, fingers down, hands in line with the side of the pelvis, into that start position. Very fast, light stamp. So stamp light, stamp fast, stamp quietly, rotate, keeping that trail shoulder back, avoid it coming forwards. Keep the connection between the scapula, the rib cage, into that lead foot, into that lead hip, to really improve the awareness of rotation around that lead hip, lead foot, with that lovely connection through that trail shoulder.